Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive straight into how to manage product roadmaps across teams in Monday.com. Step 1. Create your board. This is where all of your team's tasks will live. The reason we do this is to have a centralized place where everyone can see what's going on. Now, click on the New button on the left-hand side, then select Blank Board. Give your board a name that reflects the project you're working on. Step 2. Add your groups. These are the big buckets of work in your roadmap. Click on Add Group, then name it according to the stage of your project. This helps us because it allows us to categorize tasks and keep everything organized. Step 3. Add your items. These are the individual tasks that your team will work on. Click on Add Item, then add the task's name, assignee, and due date. These details are crucial to keeping everyone accountable for their work and ensuring that everything gets done on time. Step 4. Use the timeline view. This gives you a visual overview of your roadmap. Now that we've done that, click on Add View, then select Timeline. The reason we do this is to have a clear picture of when tasks start, when they're due, and how they overlap with each other. Step 5. Share your board. Click on the Share button, then select your team. This is important because it allows everyone to see the roadmap, understand what they need to do, and when they need to do it. And just like that, you now have a clear, organized, and accessible product roadmap on Monday.com. Remember, the goal is to create a roadmap that everyone in your team can understand and follow. This will help keep your team aligned, make sure everyone knows what they're supposed to do, and ultimately drive your project towards success. That's all for today's tutorial. Remember, managing product roadmaps across teams doesn't need to be complicated. With Monday.com, you have all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Until next time.